Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did these Grinch nails, along with a mini review on this Makartt nail drill. I am a Makartt brand ambassador. You can shop anything on Makartt's website with the code Kayla15 for 15% off. I'll link Makartt's site down below if you're interested, and let's get into it. I'll be using Glam & Glitz Milky White Acrylic, along with these two Savalan colors, and my Model 1's number 6 Kolinsky brush. Also, please don't forget to subscribe if you like nail videos or nail content. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So, what's new everyone? Spotify Wrapped just came out. It's always so fun to look at those. My top artist this year was Kyle Dion. He's been my top artist for maybe 3 or 4 years in a row, so I wasn't surprised. At this point, it kind of feels like my Spotify Wrapped is nearly the same every year, but I still get so excited about it. Let me know what yours look like this year. I'm really interested to hear about it. Music is a really big deal for me, and I think it's so fun to share what you listen to and the artists you like and your favorite songs. Let me know down below. And finally, for my pinky nail, I'm laying this glittery green acrylic. And now I'm just going to clear cap all the nails. Clear capping will help to add strength and also prevent us from filing into our color. Once all the acrylic is laid, I'm going to start filing. I'm starting with a hand file to get the bulk of the shaping down. Now let's unbox the new Makartt drill. This is the Stephanie portable nail drill. I managed to snag this on Black Friday. It normally retails for about $100, but I was able to get it at half off. It comes with a charger, some drill bits, and holders for the handpiece. Then there's this box that says "Open Me." It's really cute. And inside is our handpiece. And I'm going to get it ready to use now. I'm popping in this safety bit that came with it, locking it into place, and using this little silver dial to turn it on. And it actually came pre-charged, so that was really nice. I didn't have to charge it in advance. I'm going to go ahead and start working on my cuticle area. The drill itself is pretty compact and easy to use. I didn't realize how much of a hassle having to plug in my normal drill really is. It's honestly super convenient, and so far so good. I'll link this drill down below. Don't forget you can use code Kayla15 for 15% off anything on the Makartt website. Now that the nails are all filed and shaped, I'm going to start with applying a base coat. This will prep the nails for the nail art later on. Now onto the character painting. I'm using this photo here as a reference, and I'm just loosely getting a base down. I don't really have a clear-cut step-by-step method for how I do my character work. I like to cure as I go, and I try to not put too much pressure on myself to get it absolutely perfect right away. I just keep adjusting things as I see fit. This is how I like to do my character work. Taking that pressure off myself just makes the whole process much more enjoyable. Also, I wanted to mention I like to use the Beetles nail art brushes. I think they work perfectly. I really enjoy using them, and for the most part I like to use the Beetles gel polish. Sometimes I'll use Model 1s or Makartt. I get most of my nail supplies from Amazon, so if you're interested in anything, I'll link it down below. I do have an Amazon storefront where I list all my nail recommendations. I do make commission off that, but if you wanted to check it out, I'll link that down below. I'm now outlining in white. I'm going to be filling in the background as well. I wanted to define the shape a little bit more, going back and forth with our colors. Now on the ring finger, I'm painting his hand with his finger up. Again, I just get down a general shape, and I keep going back and forth with our colors to adjust. Now I'm outlining in white and filling in the background. And we're done with those two. I'm going to top coat them now. Here they are. Now onto the pinky nail. I'm going to be doing this white sort of melting snow design by the cuticle and adding a little drip. Now I'm taking some clear acrylic, and before curing, I'm sprinkling some onto the wet gel. This will help to create a 3D effect. It came out exactly how I wanted. I'll be doing something similar to my pointer nail. With red, I'm painting a snowflake design. I start with that outline, and then I take a dotting tool and I make 3 dots on each line. Really simple and easy. Now I'm just doing the same thing, sprinkling on some acrylic over the top. I also wanted to add some swirls, so I did that as well and repeated the same process. With Makartt's rhinestone gel, I'm going to do a small dollop and stick a rhinestone right in the middle of the snowflake. Here they are so far. Finally, onto the thumbnail, I'm going to be painting the Grinch lettering from the movie. Again, I'm not too worried about being overly precise. I just like to get the general shape down, and from there I adjust. I'm using white to clean it up. I'm going to be filling it in with white as well. And I did do a lot of this off camera. It was just really tedious to film. I added in the at the top, and now I'm just doing this little Christmas light design. I used red for the lights to help tie in the red on our red nail a little bit. And finally applying some top coat. So here's how the nails came out. I really love how they came out. I thought they came out so cool. They surprisingly didn't take me too long either. Usually character work takes me so long to do, but I actually was able to do these in a timely manner. This Makartt drill worked really nice. Super lightweight and compact, easy to use. I'll link it down below if you're interested, and don't forget you can use code Caleb15. I think the nails came out really cool. Let me know what other holiday sets or characters that you guys would like to see me try. I got some more Christmas sets on the way, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.